In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Monday.com desktop app. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Monday.com website. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page, since downloading software from the official source is always the safest option. This helps you avoid outdated files or unofficial installers that could cause problems during setup. From there, look for the desktop app download page. Depending on the website layout, you may find it in the footer, under resources, or somewhere within the product or support sections. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the site's search feature to quickly find the download page. The goal here is simply to reach the section where Monday.com offers its desktop application. Once you're on the download page, choose the app version that matches your device. Make sure you select the correct operating system, such as Windows or Mac, so the installer will work properly on your computer. If you're not sure which device version you need, you can quickly check your system type in your computer settings before continuing. Choosing the right version from the beginning can save time and prevent installation errors. After that, click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, the file may appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder. If the download takes a moment, that's completely normal. When the file is ready, open the downloaded installer to begin setup. Your computer may ask for confirmation before allowing the installation to proceed. If that happens, review the prompt and continue if everything looks correct. This is a standard security step on many devices. Next, follow the installation steps shown on your screen. In most cases, this means agreeing to the terms, choosing whether to use the default install location, and clicking through the setup prompts until the installation is complete. It's usually best to keep the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once the installation finishes, launch the desktop app. When it opens, log in using your Monday.com account credentials to access your workspace. After signing in, you should be ready to start using the app on your desktop. If the app doesn't open right away, try locating it from your applications folder or start menu and launch it from there. That's it. The desktop app is now installed and ready to use.